Every time I brush my hair, I see more strands than I'm comfortable with. Hair loss is one of the most emotionally draining things women face, yet we often suffer in silence. But here's the truth. You are not broken. Hair loss is not the end of your beauty, your femininity, or your confidence. Let's walk through this journey together, understanding why your hair is falling out and, more importantly, how you can begin to fix it, naturally and holistically. Okay, let's talk hormones, those tiny chemical messengers that control so much of what goes on in our bodies, including hair growth. The main players here are estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. They all have a hand in regulating your hair growth cycle, and when they're out of whack, your hair can really take a hit. Think about it. Pregnancy, PCOS, menopause, even just switching birth control pills. These can all throw your hormones for a loop and lead to thinning, hair loss, or slower hair growth. The first step is to figure out what's going on behind the scenes. Talk to your doctor about getting your hormone levels checked. Food can be incredibly powerful medicine. Focus on incorporating foods rich in healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. And don't underestimate the power of adaptogens. These amazing herbs help your body adapt to stress and balance those hormone levels naturally. Let's be real, we live in a high-stress world. When we're constantly stressed, our bodies pump out cortisol, the stress hormone. Now, cortisol is essential for survival, but when it's chronically elevated, it can wreak havoc on our systems, including pushing our hair follicles into a resting phase. This is called telogen effluvium, and it's a common cause of hair loss, especially in women. Start by incorporating simple stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine. Journaling is a great way to process emotions and clear your head. Meditation is another powerful tool for calming the mind and lowering cortisol levels. And never underestimate the power of nature. A brisk walk in the fresh air can work wonders for your stress levels and your overall well-being. Just like our bodies need the right nutrients to function properly, our hair also needs a specific cocktail of vitamins and minerals to grow strong and healthy. One of the most common culprits behind hair loss is iron deficiency. Another essential nutrient is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Zinc is another powerhouse when it comes to hair health. And don't forget about the B vitamins, especially biotin. The best way to ensure you're getting enough of these nutrients is to eat a colorful, whole food diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Load up on leafy greens like spinach and kale, snack on nuts and seeds, and enjoy fatty fish like salmon a couple of times a week. If you're concerned you're not getting enough nutrients from your diet alone, talk to your doctor about getting your levels checked. The thyroid, that little butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, plays a huge role in regulating your metabolism, and you guessed it, hair growth. Both an underactive thyroid, or hypothyroidism, and an overactive thyroid, known as hyperthyroidism, can disrupt the delicate balance of your hair growth cycle, leading to hair loss. Now, thyroid disorders are more common than you might think, especially in women. Are you experiencing unexplained fatigue, sudden weight changes, mood swings, a constant feeling of coldness, or irregular periods? These could all be signs of a thyroid imbalance. If you suspect your thyroid might be the culprit behind your hair loss, don't hesitate to advocate for yourself. Talk to your doctor about getting a full thyroid panel. Once you have a diagnosis, you can start taking steps to support your thyroid naturally. Selenium and iodine are essential minerals for thyroid hormone production. And remember, stress can exacerbate thyroid issues, so continue practicing those stress-reducing techniques we talked about earlier. Hair habits under the microscope. Are you accidentally sabotaging your strands? One common culprit is traction alopecia, a type of hair loss caused by constant pulling or tension on the hair follicles. Tight ponytails, braids, extensions, and even certain headbands can put excessive stress on your hair, leading to breakage and thinning over time. Another common offender is heat styling, but excessive heat can strip your hair of its natural moisture, making it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Try loosening up those tight hairstyles. Give your hair a break from heat styling a few days a week, and opt for heat protectant sprays when you do heat style. Scalp Health 101, the foundation of luscious locks. Think of your scalp as the soil in which your hair grows. When your scalp is imbalanced, it can create an environment that hinders hair growth and contributes to hair loss. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost scalp health is through regular scalp massages. A gentle scalp massage helps increase blood flow to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to those hair follicles. Essential oils can be powerful allies in your quest for a healthy scalp. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, making it a great choice for soothing an itchy, irritated scalp. Opt for gentle, sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners formulated with natural ingredients. Genetics and hair loss. Understanding your family tree and your options. If you've noticed hair loss running in your family, you might be wondering if you're destined to follow the same path. Female pattern hair loss is the most common type of hair loss in women, and it's often characterized by gradual thinning on the top of the head. While you can't change your genes, you can take proactive steps to manage hair loss and support healthy hair growth. Talk to your dermatologist about topical minoxidil, a medication that can help slow down hair loss and stimulate new hair growth. Nature offers some amazing DHT blockers too. Saw palmetto and pumpkin seed oil have shown promising results in blocking DHT and promoting hair growth. Outro, you've got this. Reclaiming your confidence one strand at a time. If you're struggling with hair loss, I want you to know that you are not alone. Hair loss might have shaken your confidence, but let it also awaken your curiosity about your body, your inner strength, and the way healing can look different for every woman. Let this be the day you stop blaming yourself and start nurturing yourself. You've got this, and I'm cheering for you, always.